So now that we know where the meditation point is, we're going to do some preparation breathing before we move on to using the meditation point. And what this is going to look like is exhaling all of the air out of our lungs and then bringing the air back in. But we're going to focus on certain areas of our body and chest while we're bringing the air back in. So you can stand as I am for this, or you can sit in a chair, or you can lay down on the floor, which I'd recommend. If you have space where you can lay on the floor, if you have a carpet, great. You can lay on a yoga mat. I don't recommend laying on a bed or something that's really soft like that. You want a fairly firm ground behind you. If you have lower back soreness while you're laying, bring your knees up a little bit, and I'll give you a demonstration of that. So now we're going to start by exhaling all of the air out of our lungs. Okay, it's going to look just like this. That last little bit, you want to get it all out. So I like to push a few times on the last bit of air that's left in my lungs. So, and then we're going to bring the air into 3 sections of our body. First the lower abdomen, and then the central chest area, and then the upper chest area. So just watch how I do it, first facing you, and then I'll do it to the side. Hold it for a second, and then let it go. And notice when I bring it into this upper area, I hike my shoulders a little bit. That helps pull a little more air in. So looks just like that. Now I'm going to show you from the side so you can see how I expand in the different areas. So first it's going to be the lower abdomen, then the middle chest area, we'll call it, and then the upper chest. So getting started, breathing all the air out of your lungs. Leaning forward helps a little bit. In fact, you can bend forward quite a bit to get the last little bit of air out like this before you bring the air back in. But it's not necessary, just if you want to. Breathing out. Breathing into the lower, middle, upper. Hold. And let it go. So I'll do it one more time so you can see it from the side. And I won't talk this time, just watch me demonstrate it.